Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel Brain Freedom. If you like my video, please subscribe करें. Thank you. Then our topic are the geometry. It is very simplest or so simple and easiest topic of geometry. Geometry when we use geometry box, that is a clear in that have the scale, ruler, projector, and compass. Here is more than apparatus to use the geometry. In the line segment, line and ray, I just give the basic idea of this thing. Line segment, it is a fixed length, just like I have a marker and it is a fixed length. So here is two end point and that finite length, that is called the line segment, and represent by this symbols AB and mark the symbol. At the line, when the lines are goes continuous in the both the direction, it is called the line. And ray, just example and better example of the sun. Sun is the starting initial point and continuous their rays are go and extend in the all the direction. That is called the ray. So we represent the lines, rays and line segment like that manner. It is a finite length, not finite length. It's also not finite length. Two end points, no end points, and extend both the direction, and one end point. One end point, okay, starting point, both are the same thing. Now we discuss about the angles. When two lines, there is two lines, when we cut and form an angle. And that is the common point where they meet. Like I have draw the diagram here. BOB, that is a angle. BOA, and either we say BOA, either we say AOB. Both are the right, and angles are represented like that manner. Here is the common point is called the vertex, and here is the two arms, one arms and second arm. Like OB and OE are the arms or sides. When two lines are intersect each other at a common point, that is called the angles. There is lots of types of angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Reflex angles is also known as the inverse angle, and the complete angle या zero angle. Here is the acute angle, and angles are measurement by the protractor. In the other sense, we say D. Here is 0 degree and here is 180 degree. यहाँ upper and lower both the limits values are write out, and here is the 90 degree. Angles are measurement in the degree. First the acute angle. First we talk about the acute angle. Acute angle are those angles, their measurement range is called 0 degree, between to 0 degree and 90 degree. All angles are called acute angle. Like that, this is rare and this is rare. That is a 0 degree angle. That goes and the 90 degree angle. That is the straight line. Inside that is a straight angle. And the back side too, that is the reflex angle. And whenever it complete the one circle, that is called the complete angle. So in the between the right angle, that is a 0 acute angle. 10 degree, 20, 15, 70, 75, 80, 85, even 89 also is the acute angle. Right angle exactly 90 degree, and here is formed the L, and we have mentioned this type of symbol. Obtuse angle 90 degree, between the 90 and 180 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle. That is a 90 degree and greater than 90 degree or less than 180 degree. That all angles are called obtuse angle. Straight angle exactly the value of the straight line, like the 180 degree. Reflex angle is called the inverse angle also, and their range is the 180 degree to 360 degree, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And the complete angle is called the 360 degree. When it complete the one circle, it is called the 360 degree. Now we measurement and measurement the angles by the protractor and form angles by the rulers and other things. In the lines, here is the three types of lines: parallel lines, intersecting and perpendicular. Parallel in sense both the lines are the parallel, like railway tracks, they have equal distance both them, and their sign is represent like two parallel sides. L is parallel to M. Intersecting lines are those lines they are intersect on a common point and formation of the different types of angles. Perpendicular lines on the line, here is the formation of the 90 degree, that lines is called the perpendicular. OP is perpendicular on AB. OP जो है वो 90 डिग्री फॉर्म कर रहा है AB पर, so that's why OP is perpendicular on AB. Here is the polygons. Polygons, it is a closed figure. Closed figure and made up by line segment. Like if in the closed figure there is a 3 side, 1, 2, 3, that is called a triangle. Here is 4 side, that is called the quadrilateral. If here is 5 side, that is a pentagon. 6 for hexagon, and for 7 side if here is present, that figure is called hexagon. 8 for octagon, 9 for nonagon, and 10 for decagon. Here is the closed figure and open figure. Closed figure, it is a closed by every point, that is the closed figure. It is also a closed figure, and that is the open figure. Circle is no any line segment, so that is not a polygon. Thank you.